Well, hello there. Mr. Bucko here with problem number 17 from your Geometry Chapter 1 self-test, where we are asked to find the intersection of the lines given by the system y equals 2x minus 8 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 0. So these are two lines. We can put them on a coordinate plane. Our job is to find out where they intersect, and we are not going to use a graph at all. I'm going to look at these two systems, or this system, and these two equations in the system, and I know that y is equal to 2x minus 8, and I also know that 2x plus 2y equals 0. And the key here is the fact that I know that y is equal to 2x minus 8. So I'm going to look at this system right here, and I'm going to write this equation down. 2x plus 2 times 2x minus 8 equals 0. Where this comes from is this is the bottom equation. 2x plus 2, the y is gone, equals 0. The reason the y is gone, and the reason I have the 2x minus 8 in red, is because the 2x minus 8 is equal to y. How do I know that? Because the top equation says so. So what I've done is I've substituted y with 2x minus 8 in this equation. And now what I have is a very basic algebraic equation to solve, where I can now distribute. Let's pretend now that 2x minus 8 isn't red. The only reason it's red here is because I'm just illustrating that I replaced that with y. So now I'm going to distribute. So I just do that distribution, and I get the 4x from 2 times 2x, which is 4x. 2 times negative 8 is negative 16. So now I have 2x plus 4x minus 16 is equal to 0. I can combine some like terms here. I get a 6x because 2x plus 4x is 6x. Leave the rest of it the same. Now I'm going to solve for x. Add 16 to both sides, so I get 6x equals 16. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 6. And once I divide both sides by 6 and then reduce the fraction, 16 over 6 can be reduced to 8 over 3. So x in this case is 8 over 3. We're not done because we want to find the intersection, which is an x and a y coordinate. So now that we have our x coordinate, our job is to find the y coordinate. How do we find the y coordinate? We take our x value and plug it into either equation. One of these is going to be a lot easier than the other one. Yep, you guessed it. It's the y equals 2x minus 8 equation. You can use the bottom one too. A little bit more work that's got to be done, but I'd say the top one's going to be a little bit easier to work with. So this is the top equation now. The difference is I've replaced x with 8 over 3. Why did I do that? Because x is 8 over 3. That's what we found out. So now we're going to do the math here. 2 times 8 thirds is 16 thirds. And minus 8. We do 16 thirds minus 8. Now that'd be nice if 8 was a fraction. So we need to make 8 a fraction with a common denominator. So I'm going to change that to 24 over 3 because 24 over 3 is 8. And now I can do the subtraction. 16 thirds minus 24 thirds is negative 8 thirds. So our y value is negative 8 thirds. Our x value is 8 thirds, positive 8 thirds. So therefore the intersection of these two lines is the point 8 thirds, negative 8 thirds. And this is where these two lines would intersect if we put them on a coordinate plane.